Hello, you are watching us from Kashmir Headlines News. I'm Shahid Nazir. Today we are at Baramulla, one of the most famous school known as St. Joseph Baramulla. We had with us Principal St. Joseph School Baramulla. Let's talk him about the academic session and the future plans regarding the school, because we had heard a lot more about the school, about their academic session, about the facilitation they are just providing to the students and the academician they are just providing to the students. Very thankful to you, sir. You had just given us your time, sir.
Welcome, sir. Thank you so much.
So our first question will be, sir, if we'll talk about the St. Joseph School, it's very famously, especially if we'll talk about the Baramulla district. So how you are just looking about the academic session here, St. Joseph School, Baramulla? Here are a lot more private schools. What you are just giving different?
As you know, this is since 1905. The school has been giving their best with regard to the education. In fact, I would say entire North Kashmir, St. Joseph has really given the foundation for the education. And the foundation of this education was further flourished through various ways, bringing the best of education, academics, co-curricular activities, sports activities, and cultural activities, and so on. Last year, our focus was mainly to bring sort of a variety in the students. So therefore, we had annual days of every class, and we gave opportunity to every student so that students find comfortable at the stage. Back of our mind, always we have a fear of stage, and therefore we ensure that every student gets an opportunity to come at the stage, perform with his own talents and skills, and get out from that fear. So that was our last year attempts. This year we have planned altogether differently. Our focus is more going to be on academics and communication skills. We are going to have now the new world, a world called artificial intelligence. And AI, what is prominent and going to be a significant change is your communication skills. So the entire world is open for you, provided your communication skills are so good, and that would attract you right information to you, and you would be able to utilize it for your betterment. So therefore, our entire aim and objective is going to be for 25, because this is going to be a short session. But our entire aim is to ensure that we develop the communication skills, very importantly, and therefore academics is going to be our focus as usual. Second one is with regard to the sports. Along with the communication skills and academics, we require also the physical activities, and I believe the only through sports the students is able to de-stress themselves, or they are able to showcase their skills in the different sports, and they will be able to a good human person. So therefore, our second aim is going to be on sports. That's what we have planned for the coming session. Besides this, of course, we have a lot of our own activities, like we have class-wise and section-wise. We have competitions, literary competitions, cultural competitions. We have competition on the art and craft competitions. We have visual science exhibitions. So these are regular activities that do take place. But these are the very focused, our orientation is going to be in 25.
If we are talking about this school, St. Joseph School, it's very famously known in district Baramulla, especially. There are a lot more schools. If we'll talk about the private schools, if we'll talk about the government schools, and you are just providing the good academic session here in St. Joseph School, Baramulla. What's the feedback of parents, especially, and the students, the academic session you are just providing here, and the facilities which you are providing to here from these schools?
We give the best of infrastructure. You can see the roads, the entire grounds and sports activities. So wherever we are possibly able to make a change in the lives of the students, we try to intervene it, and we try to give the best in their lives. And that's why I believe we have a very good social fabric of our parents who do trust us, who do believe us, and I'm sure we always try to do through my teaching faculty, my domestic staff, to come to their expectations. And I have seen this happening again and again. Like last year when we used to have these annual day celebrations, and parents were very happy because they could see their child coming to the stage, performing their best, getting away from their stage fear, and doing the showcasing their skills. And therefore it is something wonderful to say. So this same change need to be continued, and I believe with my parents, because HJ has, as I said, it has got a very good social fabric. It's a familial fabric, and therefore they believe us, we believe them. They trust us, and we trust them, and therefore I'm sure we will be able to do a qualitative or quantitative change in coming year.
What are the unique qualities which make especially different St. Joseph School regarding rest of the schools?
To be sincere, I do not compare with any other schools, because I believe every school does their own best. So therefore, we should respect their ways of doing. St. Joseph, I can say only this: St. Joseph is more of a family. It's a more of a doing together, work together. So it's a teamwork. So it's not individual work. It's not one private. It's just it's a team of management, team of the teachers, and team of the parents together, shaping children or citizens for the future generation. So that is how actually the St. Joseph. This is, I could say, uniqueness of St. Joseph. Otherwise, it would be very, very. I would say it's harsh to compare with others, which I would not like to.
If we'll talk about your strength, sir, you are as a principal here in St. Joseph School, Baramulla. So how you had worked here since your tenure, you are just being as a principal here. So what are the different things you are just being adopting, or you are just going to bring in the future?
Yeah, like when I took up the charge of St. Joseph as a principal, first and foremost, I thought maybe there is a disciplinary issues, and therefore I had to go through the preparation of the pathways and roads and proper bifurcation of the students going to Sobor and Baramulla side, so that none of them get unnecessarily hurt, confused, or rather the entire departure arrival takes place smoothly. So that perspective, the safety of the students was most important. So that we completed the work. We also thought that there is also requirement of AV rooms, and therefore we have created almost now 6-7 AV rooms. So I would say world-class AV rooms, which provide them an online also, or rather will give them online platform, and would help them to do better in their academics and other studies. Third thing, what we, as I said just now, as I said, I believe that St. Joseph has to be a leader in education, and therefore, which I said just 2 minutes before, we have to go with the times. That this is time of AI, and if we neglect AI and the related issues and also subjects, we will go behind, and therefore we need to go along. And therefore the entire, as I said, the stress is going